Welcome to AI Monster Training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use the AI section in AI Monster. Go to left side menu and click on AI Content. Now you are on AI Content section. Here you can search your desired content using our AI Content Finder. Just use your desired keywords. And your content is ready. You can also regenerate it to get more perfect results. Copy it and use it in your desired place. To use AI Graphics section, click on AI Graphics from menu bar. Now you are on AI Graphics section. Here you can search graphics by using our AI Graphics Finder. Just use your desired keywords to find your desired graphics content. You can download it and use it whenever you want. Thanks for watching the video.